Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my 25th birthday. You guys, I've been planning this birthday for the past 2 years now. I've been wanting a 2000s theme party for like ever. It's literally my favorite era. I was probably born in the best generation and I love 2000s snacks, 2000s movies, 2000s music, like everything 2000s. So I thought to throw a 2000s themed party and make it extra. So you're gonna see the different things I make because there's a whole lot of DIY going on in here. And don't mind me, I literally just woke up. It's the day of the party. Everything is kind of all over the place, but stay tuned to see the madness.
All right, y'all, welcome to the DIY part of my party. First of all, I had this idea to do the Y2K theme, right? And I thought, what was going on in our childhood that was iconic? And first of all, ice cream truck. I mean, who can agree? Ice cream truck was a huge part of my childhood. So I thought, why not make one? Next up, we got my DIY furry bracelets that I made using measuring tape. That's right, measuring tape. I did a little DIY search on YouTube and I found a way to make it literally using things from your garage. So there you go. I also added some of the fur on my clear heels that I bought from Amazon and made it super cutesy bootsy. Now back to the program. We are doing some detail work. When I tell you I put hours into this project because anything I do I'm super passionate about. And yes, I'm passionate about a pink ice cream truck that you will see come to life. I had this vision in my head and I told everybody, you're going to have to wait and see what I come up with. Here is me putting the frame together, taping every single edge of this cardboard box together to make my ideal ice cream truck. Now, what I did with the paint is I got pink spray paint and I thought, you know what? I want a little bit of contrast. So I went ahead and got white spray paint as well and I mixed the two so I could have like a cotton candy effect, which is another thing from my childhood. So what I did is spray the edges of the cardboard box, or shall I say, Ed's ice cream truck. We went outside, added the white spray paint, did the inside, the outside, made it super cute. You're going to see me covering my nose because I was going to pass out. And then I thought, let's do more details. I did some color rims. I mean, this job was A1.
You want ice cream? So I went to Costco to order my cake because I'm gonna DIY it. But now I have to DIY it even more because they couldn't give me pink frosting. They could only put white or brown. And I'm like, I will pay extra, just put pink frosting. They're like, no, we can't. So they're like, the most we could do is details with pink frosting. So they put like a border. I'll show you guys. So watch what I'm gonna do before and after. This is what we have to work with. Okay, this is what they meant by border. Okay, so I have icing and I picked up cupcake icing because the frosting is thinner than actual like funfetti icing. I thought it would apply better, so there's that. You guys aren't ready to see the freaking things I bought. I went to downtown, I went to Target, I went all over the place to buy my exact like Barbie theme me cake. And it's kind of like a copy of Betchin cakes, but DIY. So let me show you. We have all these little props, okay? We got some money, because the bitch loves money. We got my candles, hella sprinkles, a little mini tiara, the little firework candle things, sunglasses, a makeup brush, a little vanity. This is like a Barbie dream. And of course, what cake would be Barbie theme without a Barbie? So there's that. And we also got a little unicorn that lights up. Some white icing for like details, like writing happy birthday or something. We got some gumballs and one more like glittery sprinkle. So let's see what I'm gonna come up with.
Now the cake is something that I was super excited to make and the cupcake icing came in clutch. I mixed in the pink and the white and it gave the perfect contrast like my ice cream truck with the mixed cotton candy type of look. And I even found a freaking plastic margarita cup and I added that shit on my cake, put some sprinkles in there. Oh my god, I can't wait till you guys see the full effect.
You guys, I forgot to show you guys how it actually looks, but you'll see at the birthday, but we're covering it right now. But it looks epic. Blowing balloons over here while they're hooking it up in the back. Hey, hey. So we've been all over the place today. There's way too much going on. We had some emergency things happening, but my makeup looks good. For the pool. Whee!
All right, guys, ready for this party? 3, 2, 1.
Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat goes right through my chest. Everybody, mom, Roger, candy body. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see. 1, 2, step.
Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Crank the party up. We about to get it on.
Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Crank the party up. We about to get it on. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Crank the party up. We about to get it on.
Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West. It's so nice and touching with our alien magic. Like a city of Jet, like a best friend Jimmy in the city of sex. I've been making it for 10 years, making rap tunes. Ever since Hans was wearing Sassoon, now it's 95 and the cosmic ones down the shine. Looking like a Rob Liberace, it's all good. From Diego to the Bay, if you feel the same way. Everybody in top of California, yeah.
Say my name, say my name. 'Cause around you, baby, I love you. When my son tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Baby, can't you see?
My best friend said she used to fuck with Usher. I don't care what none of y'all say, I still love her. Damn, girl, go ahead, get down. Let go with your money. She went to the doctor, got lipo with your money. Go ahead, cause when she leave your ass, she gon' leave with half. 18 years, and on the 18th birthday, found out it wasn't his.
And of course, I forgot to film an outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Stay up to date with all my latest videos. Love you guys. Bye.